Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. So today I thought I'd pop on and share with you another haul. Again from the lovely Anne. You all know by now she's a lovely friend of mine and I just want to try and support her as much as I can with her little business. And my god though, but does she have some amazing stuff. And now obviously she's doing the 3D things as well, which are absolutely beautiful. So as always, I will leave a link to her website. But yeah, and her prices are absolutely fantastic for like the things that they are, because obviously everything, as you know, is just going up and up. But yeah, her prices are amazing. So yeah, as you can probably still hear, I'm still full of this cold, so please bear with me guys. But anyway, let's take a look and see what I've bought. So let me just bob some of this over a little bit so we've got a little bit of room. So first off is this one, which is one of the 3D items I ordered. And it is one of her 3D printed foam tape boxes. So as you can see, look how gorgeous her foam tape boxes are. Absolutely beautiful. So of course I had to have it in pink, and has a few shades of different pinks and they are all just stunning. But this is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for organising all of your foam tapes. Now I have to say I've bought loads of her foam tapes in all different colours, so I will be ordering another one of these. And that's what it looks like inside. But yeah, how cool is it that it is just all 3D printed? Absolutely beautiful. And of course you can have this on the front, or you can have a name, or say like your social media like this. You can anything, I think Anne said. So that's the foam tape box. Anne does do these as well. She kindly gifted this one to me for my birthday, which I absolutely love. It is the 3D printed social media name tags. Just gorgeous. And then next we've got this cute little tiny flower die. So as you can see, it's a singular plate and it will cut out all of those at once to make some teeny flowers. I love her packaging, it's so pretty. Then let's do some more of the foam tape. So these are the new foam strips that she's got in. So you can see there's the pink ones, and I absolutely love these foam tapes that she's got. They are so like really dense. They're not those ones that you find are really like softer foam where they're really squidgy and they can go flat. But these are really dense. And again, these are going to be perfect to make shakers with, or layering up your card fronts, etc. Embellishments. So those are the strips. I can't remember which pink this one is. It might be the light pink. But that's those ones. And then I picked up some in cream. So those are the strips. And then of course I had to grab some more of the tapes in different colours. So this is the green one. Then there's yellow. I absolutely love this yellow. It's absolutely beautiful. A different kind of pink. I think this one is called rose pink. But look, just look how many you get on there. And for just £2.99, honestly, the prices are amazing. And then there's this blue one. Purple one. This one seems massive. Look at it's huge roll of tape. Excuse me guys, honestly, I'll be glad when I've got rid of this cold. And then cream one. So those are more of the tapes. And then we've got some more 3D bits. Now I ordered the IKEA drawer handles and something else for IKEA as well. The Kallax units. So these are these gorgeous drawer handles that go on your Alex drawers from IKEA. And look at how gorgeous these pinks are. Let me just take it out of the wrapper. These gorgeous set of handles. I think you can have them in all sorts of colours. There's the lighter pinks. But how cool are these? And of course, they've even got the little screw holes so you can screw it on the inside of the drawer so that they won't come off. They're going to make such a little pop of colour, make a difference. So that's those. And they are just £10 again, which is amazing. And these ones are the Kallax clips. I asked Anne if she could kindly make me 4 of the little clips that join your Kallax units together, because as you know, I'm in the middle of just organising the new units that I've just had from IKEA. And I wanted to just have some little clips that you can clip the units together so that they don't shift or twist, whatever. So these are those, and these were £6 for the 4, which again is amazing. So they're literally these 3D clips, and you just clip them over the units and it will hold them together. So those are going to be so handy to keep them nicely together. Then let's get on to the cardstock. Picked up some of the festive mix. Yeah, festive pearl and glitter mix. So let's take a look at what colours you get. So you get this gorgeous red pearl. Look at that. How beautiful is that going to be for Christmas? So you get 2 of those. Oh, I love those. That is absolutely beautiful. Then you get a nice green. Again, look at those 2 together. Absolutely gorgeous. And you get a nice white. You can't go wrong with those for Christmas. Absolutely beautiful. And then you've got this green glitter. This is the flat style glitter. So you've got those. And then you've got a red one as well. Absolutely beautiful and really good quality. Nice and smooth on the back. So that's the festive mix. As I say, absolutely beautiful. And then these are the 12 by 12 glitter cards. Glitter cardstock. So let's have a look at this one. This glitter, oh my god, it is the best quality glitter card I've ever seen. I mean, just look at this, and it's that chunky, rough glitter. It's the glitter I prefer. But it is absolutely stunning. And it's so thick as well. It doesn't shed. Like, see, it doesn't come off. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the purple. I had to get some more of this red ready for Christmas. Again, my God, stunning. So let's take a closer look at the red. Oh, excuse me. I mean, oh, honestly, absolutely gorgeous. And when it picks up the light, it's just so sparkly. Again, you do get 5 sheets in every pack, which is amazing. Honestly, these are a craft room must-have. And there's white. Again, this is going to be gorgeous for Christmas. Or even Halloween, if you want to cut, like die cut little glitter ghosts and things. Would be really pretty. Oh, look at this. Absolutely stunning again, honestly. And for £3.99, that is just fantastic value. It's just gorgeous. Look at the like the iridescent when the light hits it. Oh, I love these. Absolutely stunning. And then a black one. This is definitely one of my favourites. It is gorgeous. Again, the quality is amazing. Absolutely stunning. So that's going to be for Halloween crafting for sure. Gorgeous. So those are the 12 by 12 glitter cards, and does have a lot of other colours as well. So no doubt I will be getting a lot more. So that's the card stock and the glitter card. Oops. And then the last one that was in the box is this free gift. So let's take a look at that as well and see what it is. Oh wow, how cool is this? It's another little trinket tray. Hang on, let me take it out, the little plastic. Yeah, it is this stunning pink and white trinket tray. A Halloween one, which is one of my favourite, obviously, to craft for. My favourite time of the year really is autumn and Halloween. But yeah, oh, I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. And that was a free gift. Thank you so much for this, Anne. Honestly, this is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And I just honestly so fascinated how it just makes it from single pieces of filament. I just think it's so cool. So yeah, that was my haul from the lovely Anne and her website. As I said, I will leave the links to her website, her YouTube, her Instagram, etc. Yeah, definitely check out her Instagram because she does have a little competition running at the moment where you can win a stunning 3D pegboard. So definitely pop over there and check that out as well. But yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching and bearing with me while I'm still not very well. Don't forget, soon I will have part 6 coming, which will be the final reveal of the craft cabin makeover. So stay tuned for that. And subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss anything. And click the bell notifications. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.